right, lesson 2 from 04 is rational exponents. Rational exponents is basically fractions in your exponents. Okay. Formula is very simple, and I know it's kind of hard to read up here, but you have b to the 1 over n. That is the actual same thing as a radical. So we have 4 to the 1/2. That is the same as saying square root of 4. Or 3 to the 1/3 is the same as saying the cube root of 3. Same thing. Basically, whatever's in the denominator goes in the nook of the radical. Now, what happens if there is a number on top, not just 1? So let's pretend we have a to the 2/5. So the denominator goes in the nook, that's what I call it. And you have what's left is a squared. Okay? So let's work out some problems. Okay, 2 different types of problems that we're going to deal with. This is the first one. We got 4th root of 25 and the 6th root of 5. Now, according to radicals, you cannot combine these because they are different roots. But that's the whole point of rational exponents. You can get kind of creative with math. So we're going to go ahead and do this. We're going to do 25 to the 1/4 over 5 to the 1/6. Okay? Now, what's really neat about this is, if you remember the rule of exponents, as long as the base number is the same, you can combine them. So, this is where you have to be good with numbers. Well, this base number is 5, this one's 25. How do I make 25 a 5? Well, 25 is 5 squared. So, here's the 5 squared, and then now I just put the 4 underneath. So it's 25 to the 1/4 is the same as saying 5 to the 2 over 4. And then now here's 5 to the 1/6. So now you can just do exponents. 5, remember the rule is you subtract 2 over 4 minus 1 over 6. Common denominator. So I'm going to make that 1/2, so that would be 3 over 6 minus 1 over 6. So 5 to the 2 over 6, which equals 5 to the 1/3. So the answer is the cube root of 5. So even though I couldn't combine it before because it had different roots, if you change it to exponents using rational exponents, then you can actually work the problem out. Alright, we also have problems like this. They already have it in the fractions. So just remember rules of exponents. 2 times 3 is 6. That was simple. Now we have x to the 1/4 and x to the 1/4. So x to the 1/4 plus 1/4. And then we have y to the 1/3 plus 2/3. So remember, if you're multiplying, you're adding the exponents. So this becomes 6 to x to the 1/2 because 1/4 plus 1/4 is 1/2. And this becomes y. 1/3 plus 2/3 is just 1, so it just becomes y. And the nice thing is you can leave the answer just like this. Since it started off as fractions in your exponents, you can leave the answer as fractions in your exponents. And that's it. That's what rational exponents are for. So the homework on this assignment was page P17, 17 through 35.